Fran Hart. I'm assistant head and head of music at Westley Middle School. So I've worked with the Trust before doing a May pole dancing session with Alex Bartholomew, and then I was emailed, so on a list to see whether I wanted to get involved, and of course I immediately said yes, because it's the type of thing that, well, it's the culture, it's British culture, and it's good that the children know about these things and are involved in them. I think the first one they found it actually quite tricky to engage with, but as we saw from this second session, they were actually on it from the start of reminding them about the song. They were on it more than me, and I think that by the end, and their voices, well, that speaks a lot, I think.
Hill, and there it stood, a neat little cottage near to a wood, where I have never been, oh, where I have never been.
Again, can you remember how the tune goes? Should we just try and sing it through all together? And kind compassion serves them so, and kind compassion serves her so, she could not bear to.
Today there's so much pop music, and we forget about our roots as people, and folk music is the music of the people. And I don't want songs as great as Drunken Sailor, for instance, to get lost. It is part of our heritage, and if we don't teach it in schools, then where else are they going to learn it?